The verse in the Holy Qur'an that is commonly associated with fingerprints is from Surah Al-Qiyamah, the resurrection, verses 3 to 4. Does man think that we will not assemble his bones? Yes, indeed. We are able to proportion even his fingertips. The Holy Qur'an Arabic, 75:4. Bala qadirina ala an nasawiya bananahu. Transliteration: Bala qadirina ala an nasawiya banana. Meaning, Allah states that He can not only resurrect a person by reassembling their bones, but can also perfectly recreate their fingertips, banan. Many modern commentators note that fingertips contain unique fingerprint patterns which are different for every individual. This is often cited as a remarkable reference to the precision of Allah's knowledge and power in recreating every human being.
Does man think that we will not assemble his bones? Yes, we are able to restore even his fingertips.